are you at?
Oh my gosh. This is scary.
I know.
Wait. Oh my. Okay, what's up, guys? So today we are making a no video, and today's video is going to be Shrek in the bathroom, Roblox. And so we are playing with my friend Lloyd. We went at Summer Blast just today. Oh my gosh! I just hit something. I just hit something that I lost HP. I feel like,
Dude, I found a compass. I found a compass.
You found a compass?
Yeah.
Okay, so guys,
I don't know what to tell. Oh, so
what's that banging? Scrap metal? I just found scrap metal, Lloyd.
Yeah, I wonder if we can put those together. I found some more wires. I think we can like make something with what we gathered.
Maybe.
I really don't want to say anything.
I'm in a big area.
Can you hear me? What the?
What?
Why did the lights go out?
No, somebody's messing with the lights. Wait, no, nobody's messing with the lights, I think.
I just died. How?
Somebody just went shoot.
I just heard baking.
No, that was shooting.
Bro, this is so scary. Creeping me out a little bit.
No, it's creeping me out full way. It's like literally.
I'm not playing games scary than this, but.
Oh my gosh. Okay, this is creep me out enough. I'm getting out. I am not playing this. I am not playing this. I'm leaving. We're leaving. We're leaving. We're leaving a big lot. We're leaving a lot. I'm leaving.
What do you play now?
Okay, so we will play.
Oh, what about 3008?
What?
What about 3008?
Or how about Bed Wars? Let's play Bed Wars. Bed Wars is fun. Have you played this game before?
No, but I heard it's really good.
Yeah, it's a fun game. I love this game. I love this game. Okay, so what's this? What's this? Okay, let's get out.
Why are you getting out?
No, there's just dingoes asking me, and I was getting out of that.
Oh, okay. Alright, I'm about to join. Just join.
Wait, we can't bounce on the ball.
Okay.
Okay.
Is this kind of like Fortnite or something like that?
What?
Is this kind of like Fortnite or something?
It's.
Why do we look so big when like our legs and arms are stretched out? Okay, hold on. Oh, there we go.
Okay, where are you?
I'm at the main entrance. Where are you?
Literally in the middle.
In the what?
The middle. Oh, I see you.
Oh, where?
Sank Lloyd. Hey, Sank Lloyd, it's me, Foxford 007.
Where are you at? I can't see.
My guy looks.
Oh
Hey.
my God, you look different.
I know. Every time that does that to me, it does it to me every single time. I'm behind you. I'm behind you. Okay, so we should get into the game.
Yeah, I think we should follow this arrow.
Maybe.
Oh my gosh, yeah, it says battle pass.
Hey, go to the one with a doctor that looks mean. Like that one right there.
Right here?
Yeah, right there. F, join.
What?
Join.
Okay. Alright, which one? The top one or the bottom one? Squads or doubles?
Lucky Block.
Yeah, but which one? Squad or doubles?
Doubles.
Alright, got it. Got it. I don't have nothing for weapons.
Oh, I found it. Green light. Green light. Green light.
I think, oh, yeah.
Yes, game. Let's go game.
This is so cool. I mean, like, I'm actually talking to one of my friends on my phone.
I know.
This is so cool. Alright, now where are you at? I can't see you.
I can't see you. This is crowded.
Oh my gosh, I just teleported somewhere. Where? I don't know why it brought me here, but...
Wait, we're not on the same team, I believe.
Oh.
Uh-oh. Okay, that's sad, okay, but we're gonna have to deal with it. This is war. This is war for the bed. I'm gonna break your bed. Yeah.
Yeah?
Oopa.
Why? Yes, Mom. I got 5 minutes.
Okay. Wait, why do you have 5 minutes left?
My mom wants me to take a break after this.
Oh. Call me later, maybe.
Alright.
But just like in a few minutes after, okay?
Yeah, okay. I'll call you back, in, like 7 minutes.
7? Okay, that's good. I'll be on in 7 minutes. Hey!
Oh
This
God,
man!
I found a mystery.
This man!
Why can I not get off on the other side?
Okay. Okay. Okay, bad. Bad. Okay. If this man breaks our bed.
Oh, I got a potion. You can eat it. Oh my gosh, I have a big head. Why? I have a big head.
Ha! This man's getting attacked. This man just lost a couple damage. I mean, lost a couple HP. How's this man so good? This man will never ever lose.
I'm just gonna keep stealing.
What? He sees a man. He sees somebody.
Yeah, dude, why can't we get across from, like, this bridge?
This man! This man's breaking everybody's beds.
I was killed by a boy.
I thought it was a wolf guy. That's who.
I'm just gonna go fast, and I'm not even gonna care.
Ha!
Killed by another boy. I have nothing to say about it.
I was killed by a human. It won't let me play. Oh no! I'm in lobby.
There's nothing in this shit. Oh.
Oh, I'm accidentally in lobby. Sorry.
Oh. Okay,
Oh.
hold on. You know what? Let's reset our characters and meet back at the main entrance, and then we'll go back to the main doctor.
Okay, go back to lobby. Go back to lobby.
So, what do you want me to press?
Just go back to lobby. Die and then go back to lobby.
Alright. It won't let me go back to the lobby for some reason. I'm about to get killed by a boy. Just died from a boy. What do I do? Okay.
Just let me go to the lobby. Okay, so I'm gonna have to leave. So guys, we're back and back to.
Okay, alright, which one are you playing?
Bed Wars, yeah. Get on Bed Wars. Okay, so let's start.
bedwars and play. Alright, I'm in bedwars.
Okay, I might actually need the charge. Oh. Okay, so we're gonna have to wait. I just figured out not hack, but still.
Alright, where's the... I can't see you. Where are you at?
Well, I see you. Look behind you.
Oh, there you are. Alright, let's go.
Okay, get back in this. And then get on doubles. Or squads.
No,
Squads.
Squads. What does you say? Somebody just texted something in the chat.
Okay, and now get on Cyan. Get on Cyan. I can't believe it's chapter 3, season 3.
Cyan? You said Cyan?
Yeah, Cyan team.
Is it like that blue one?
Wait, pause, wait, stop for a sec. Because this is literally just got me out of my thing. Well, it didn't even get me my thing.
Alright, now where are you at? Oh, alright, I really hope you're on red team, because that's the team I'm on.
Please say I am. Do I even know what team I'm in?
Yeah, whatever color.
I'm not in the same one as you.
You're not in the same team?
No, I'm not in the same game.
Oh, you're on a different game?
Yeah.
Oh! Alright, I'm about to join the game that you're playing.
It already started. So how about this game we'll leave it out for a sec, and then the next game we'll join the same exact game.
Okay, alright, that sounds good. Actually, I had a game we could play, and I think you're gonna like it. It's called Noob Crushers.
Noob Crushers?
Yep, you gotta kill noobs.
Kill noobs? I don't think this is gonna be acceptable.
Just come play it, alright?
Okay, after this match I'll play it. Once I die, I'll play it.
Okay, alright, sounds good. Guys, I think you're gonna like this game.
Wait, you do think I'm gonna like it?
Yes, I do.
Yes, you do. Yes, you do indeed. Oh my gosh! Somebody's trying to arrow me.
Gotta kill all these noobs. Newbies. Gotta kill these noobs. Oh! One of my favorite guns. The freeze ray.
No, come on. No! No! Why am I getting bullied? I just got bullied. Oh, here we go. No chance. Why am we keep on getting bullied? These people keep on bullying me. Jay, hand some space. Give me some space to get some. Okay, I have the diamonds. Good. Okay, now we're going to have to need a bow and arrow. 16. God dang it.
Well, I just chopped off his leg.
Okay, so we have enough that we need. Let's actually just get that last stack. Okay, so we have our stuff. Get 8, 16, 2. Oh, okay, we're gonna have to.
It's taking a long time to kill this guy. Up and underneath it. Yeah.
Okay, so guys, we have our arrows that we need.